Hi, welcome to the Ambir Technical Support Corner. This tutorial covers how to calibrate your Ambir ImageScan Pro 820iX scanner. Click on the Windows Start icon, then select the Ambir ImageScan Pro 820 folder option, then click on the Calibration Wizard, and then you'll follow the online screen prompts. Click on Next, and then make sure you insert a blank white piece of paper that is blank on both sides into the scanner, and then click Calibrate Now. Then click on Start. Calibration takes approximately a minute or less. Then click on the Calibration is Complete dialog window button, OK. Then click Next, and click Finish. If you have additional questions about how to calibrate your scanner, please reach out to us at 630-530-5400, option 3, or via our online chat at our website of www.ambir.com.